Hey, today it's Sunday, and I thought I'm just gonna, do 1 hour or something to quickly fix this little thing that was open. But it ended up, it was a bit more complex, so it took more time. So I did like a couple of hours. So let's see what I did. In a datdot service, when we receive a storage proof event, we wanted to check if the event name includes a test or if it includes a host. So two conditions. I was trying to write this as if else inside of the actions. I tried this like to make a function inside, but it looks like xstate has some certain specific way of writing this. So what I needed to do is with xstate you get actions and then also a choose function, and you can use it here to define two conditions. I can now already remove this. This was just for debugging. So we're basically just checking if it includes a test. And here we're checking if event name includes host. And if it's true, then depending which one it is, we execute the action. So if it's a tester, we basically spawn a new a test storage state machine. But if it's a event for the host, so because you as a node are running this datdot service, so for this particular task, you can be a hoster or you can be a tester. So you check basically, oh, am I a host? Is it for a host? If me as a host, because you can be both, it depends on the task. So if in this case I'm a host, then just how to say, listen to my already running state machine. So host, if you remember, when they get into the hosting state, they stay here and then they listen to these events. But if you are a tester for this particular task, you were idle. So we spawn a test storage state machine, and it just executes this, and then you're idle again, while the hoster executes the response to the storage request, and then gets back to the hosting mode. So it absolutely doesn't get idle. So this state machine keeps running. So yeah, basically this is what I needed to do. So then you kind of use this choose function that comes from the xstate, and when you say which actions do you want to execute, you just use this variable that you assign all this logic to. So let's just try it out once again. So let's just see what is the scenario that I have. So I'm doing a setup, and I have a hoster and a tester, and then 5 seconds later I do a storage proof event, and it's for the hoster. So let's see. Poof. So this was the hosting setup for both of them, for host and a test. They did everything, that was cool. And then 5 seconds later came the storage proof for the host, and host responds with the tasks. So let me just see if I have, okay, let's just try to quickly squeeze it. It won't, I won't manage, so then I'll have to record again. But yeah, it works for both, so I'm happy. I'm gonna push this, and tomorrow, yeah, I don't know exactly what I'll do, but yeah, I'll probably continue with the same. I just don't know now exactly which task. I'll probably finish the other state machines that are not running, or I'll do a performance check logic. Let's see. Okay, see you tomorrow.